Hey guys, welcome back to another videos. In this video I will show you how you can install Fortnite games on any of your compatible Android device. So the first thing you all need to do is to make sure unknown sources is enabled. So you can swipe down and go into settings, and we're going to go down to lock screen and security and make sure unknown sources is enabled. This will allow you to download the APK file and install on your phone. Now because you cannot install Fortnite games through Play Store, so you need to do this. Next, go to the browser and then type in Fortnite Android, and this will allow you to download and play the games. So now we'll go to the site, tap on the menu key, and then tap on download. And here you can tap on the compatible devices and check to make sure your device is in this list. If it is, you can go ahead. So now we can go down and download the games. So you can either download from Epic Games or from Samsung. So I'm just going to choose Epic Games. So while I have a Samsung phone, I can go to the Samsung Galaxy apps to download it. But let's say if you have a different phone which is not Samsung, you can download it from here. So it's downloading at the moment. So it's saying here it's 4 megabytes. My internet is a little bit slow today for some reason. Usually it's a lot faster than this. Okay, so it's downloaded, so I just need to open it up and then tap on install. So now it's installed on the phone. After the initial install, it will still need to download some more files, so this process can take a while, especially if you have a slow internet connection. Okay, so it's the app installed. When we can tap on open, and here is Epic Games. So we'll just wait for it to load up, and you can see it's installing Fortnite. So tap on continue and tap on allow for you to access files images on your phone, and then it's preparing, so we still need to do some more downloads. So we can just drag at the top and see what's going on. So you can see here it's saying Fortnite installer preparing for install. Now once it has finished preparing, tap on the install button, and then you can see it say preparing again. Okay, so after installing, you can tap on the launch button. And that's how you can download and install a Fortnite game on Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.